How to turn on two-step verification in Gmail. Let's not waste any more time and head right to it. So first you open Chrome. Before we head to the video, make sure to leave the subscribe button on and it helps my channel a lot. Now let's head to the video. Click on my accounts, myaccount.google.com. Once you do that, your account will pop out. Make sure that your account is logged in your Google Chrome or Safari Chrome. It doesn't matter if you use an Android or iOS. Once you open this, click on security. Once you scroll left and click on security, you scroll down. Here you see my two-step verification is on, but for your case it will show two-step verification off. So you can click on it and it will take you to the ahead process, and that's how you turn on your two-step verification. You have to verify your phone number and your mail. An OTP will come in that, and that's how you'll be able to verify it. If these steps helped and if this video helped, make sure to leave a like and please don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.